Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Thank you for being here and welcome to all my new yarny sisters, yarny brothers, maybe, who have recently subscribed to my channel. So glad to have you. And thank you to all my yarny sisters and brothers that keep coming back. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All right, so today we're going to talk about the hashtag Scorched Earth Challenge that was Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet came up with. And it's an awesome challenge, you guys. It helps us get rid of yarn that we've had sitting around for a long time. You either crochet something with it, you give it away, you donate it, you sell it, do a yarn swap. Yeah. So I'll show you an item that I finished. I showed it to you as a whip before. So now it's finished. And this is it. And it is, I call it a shoulder warmer. It's my own pattern. I have a tutorial. I can link that below. And it just goes around. Oh, delivery. All right, you guys, I'm back. Yes, that was a delivery. I have some happy mail. That'll be in the next video. I'm excited. Okay. And something that I ordered especially for my 3K giveaway, which is going to happen soon because of you guys. You guys, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. All right. This is about hashtag Scorched Earth Challenge. So this is how it goes. You can tie it here if you like. And anyway, this is one of the yarns. Oh, all right. One of the yarns from the my Scorched Earth pile. All right. One of my beautiful, beautiful yarny sisters. Oh, darn it. Who was that? Can't remember. I'm so sorry. You had mentioned that it's short, like so you can wear it while you sit on the couch crocheting. You know, keep your shoulders warm and you're not sitting on it. Yeah, anyway. Darn it, I forget who that was. Oh, whoever you were, please say that was me in the comments, just, you know. All right, so this is done. I'm excited and I love it. So, what kind of yarn did I use? Well, I used Shawl in a Cake. This is the label, Lion brand, Shawl in a Cake, and it is medium 4. Recommended needle is 5mm, recommended hook is 6mm, and I did use a 6mm. What do you make? Oh, 150 grams, 481 yards. It's 58 cotton, 39 acrylic, and 3% other fiber. Yeah. And it's Healing Teal is the color. So, yeah, so it's 481 yards. And this is what I had left because I wanted to do make sure I had enough to do this little border. And yeah, I did. I had enough and I had some left over. So yeah, that goes in a bag and then I decide later what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to make something tiny, add it with another yarn maybe, and make something like a fancy scarf, you know, something small, obviously. So yeah, so that is crossed off my list. That'll be, there'll be a picture of my pile and every time I use a yarn or get rid of it somehow, I put an X across it. So the pile is getting smaller and this only started in March and it's only April. Dana told me I'm doing a really good job. Thank you, Dana. All right, so another yarn that was in that pile, I showed you this before. This is the Hobie Universe. And so I'm getting rid of this one by putting it in my 3K giveaway. And I mentioned that before. Look at those beautiful colors, and it's sparkly. Yes. And there's another one that I'm going to put in the 3K giveaway. Now, in the United States, I've watched videos where people have been saying we cannot get that color. This color is pink and black. So this will go in the giveaway as well. This is the Shimmer Shawl, and by Loops and Threads, which is a Michaels brand. There's 962 yards in here. And did you see the sparkles? Yeah. And it's a light 3. Recommend hook is 3mm. Recommend needles 3.75 millimeter, and it's 61 cotton, 34 acrylic, and 5% polyester. But yeah, you may have noticed I started making something with it a long time ago, and then I frogged it because I wasn't feeling it. You know how you have to feel what you're making? Otherwise, it's like you don't want to do it. You throw it in a corner, sits there for years, half made or a quarter made, or you just frog it, and this is what I just stuck it in the middle. So I hope whoever wins does not mind that this is in the middle. I hope you don't mind. I mean, the whole thing is here. It's just, you know, balled up in the middle. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? I really do love this. I really do. And I love that it's sparkly. But it's going to one of my special people. All right, so that is it. That's it. So hashtag Scorched Earth Challenge, that's in my title. You can click on that and it should take you to all the other channels who are participating in this. Some of you who don't have channels are also participating, and isn't that cool? I mean, you don't have to do a channel. You know, you can still participate, and yeah, and it's awesome. I mean, it's really helping me get rid of some of my yarn because I've got lots of new yarn. If you saw my video yesterday, I got this. Oh, there's a couple of extra mandalas here that I was gifted by, no, it was a yarn swap. I sent her some of my Scorched Earth Challenge yarn. She offered to buy it. I said, how about we do a yarn swap? So we did. And yeah, she sent me some mandala. That was Cate from Bitch and Stitches. So anyway, that video is on my channel too. Anyway, yeah, so these two are going to go out in a giveaway. So that's off my pile. And then I made this beautiful shawl. I think is beautiful. Or a shoulder warmer. So that ball has been made into something. And I'm very happy. All right. Thank you all so much. Let me know if you're doing the challenge, even though you don't have a channel. That's okay. I would love to hear. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Actually, I'm going to do another video right away because I have Happy Mail, like I said. So excited. All right, you guys. I'll see you soon. All right, bye.